Welcome to World Icons and Travel. Today, we embark on an intellectual and geographical journey through the extraordinary life of Albert Einstein, one of the most brilliant minds in human history. From his humble beginnings in Germany to his groundbreaking theories that reshaped our understanding of the universe, Einstein's story is one of profound curiosity, relentless exploration, and a deep connection to the world around him. Join us as we trace his footsteps across continents, explore the historical context of his scientific breakthroughs, and delve into the revolutionary ideas that continue to inspire awe. Prepare for an immersive exploration of the life, times, and enduring legacy of Albert Einstein. Our journey through genius begins now. Ulm, Germany. The seeds of curiosity. Our journey begins in Ulm, a charming city in southern Germany, where Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879. Explore maps of Germany and the region of Württemberg, highlighting the location of Ulm. While his family moved to Munich when he was just a year old, Ulm remains his birthplace and the starting point of his remarkable life. Show historical images of Ulm in the late 19th century. Einstein's early childhood in Munich was marked by a late start to speaking and a fascination with puzzles and natural phenomena, particularly a compass his father gave him. Show illustrations or photographs of a compass. His family's move to Italy further broadened his horizons. Explore maps of Italy and the cities where the Einstein family lived. These early experiences likely nurtured his independent thinking and insatiable curiosity. Understanding Einstein's formative years and the geographical context of his upbringing provides a foundation for appreciating the development of his extraordinary mind. Switzerland, Bern, and the Miracle Year. After a period of academic struggle, Einstein moved to Switzerland and eventually found work as a patent clerk in Bern. Explore maps of Switzerland and the city of Bern. This seemingly mundane job provided him with the intellectual freedom to pursue his groundbreaking scientific ideas in his spare time. Show historical images of Bern in the early 20th century and the Swiss Federal Patent Office. In 1905, often referred to as Einstein's miracle year, Annus Mirabilis, he published 4 revolutionary papers that would transform physics on the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and the mass-energy equivalence, E equals mc squared. Show visual representations of these 4 key concepts and their corresponding papers. The intellectual atmosphere of early 20th century Bern, despite its quiet facade, provided the fertile ground for Einstein's genius to flourish. His time in Bern was a pivotal period, marking the birth of some of the most profound scientific insights of the modern era. Prague and Zurich, academic ascendancy. Einstein's groundbreaking work in Bern began to garner recognition, leading to academic positions in Prague and later Zurich. Explore maps of the Czech Republic and Switzerland, highlighting Prague and Zurich. His time in Prague, where he was a professor at the German university, saw further development of his ideas on relativity and gravity. Show historical images of Prague and the German university. Returning to Zurich as a professor at ETH Zurich, Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, Einstein continued his relentless pursuit of a unified theory of gravity. Show historical images of ETH Zurich. The academic environments of Prague and Zurich provided Einstein with colleagues, students, and resources that further stimulated his intellectual growth and facilitated the refinement of his revolutionary theories. These periods marked his transition from a relatively unknown patent clerk to a respected figure in the scientific community. Berlin, the general theory and the Nobel Prize. In 1914, Einstein moved to Berlin, a major center of scientific research, where he became the director of the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute for Physics. Explore maps of Berlin in the early 20th century and images of the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute. It was in Berlin that Einstein completed his magnum opus, the general theory of relativity. Published in 1915. Show visual explanations of the general theory of relativity, including the concept of space-time curvature caused by mass and energy. This theory revolutionized our understanding of gravity and the cosmos. Despite his scientific triumphs, Einstein faced increasing political turmoil in Berlin leading up to and during World War I. Briefly discuss the political climate in Germany at the time. In 1921, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, a crucial step in the development of quantum mechanics. Show images of Einstein receiving the Nobel Prize and explanations of the photoelectric effect. Einstein's time in Berlin was a period of immense scientific achievement and growing personal and political challenges. Global recognition and travel, spreading the word. Following the confirmation of his general theory of relativity by observations during the 1919 solar eclipse, Einstein became an international celebrity. Show images and newsreel footage of the 1919 solar eclipse and its significance. He embarked on numerous travels around the world, lecturing and engaging with scientific communities and the public. Explore maps highlighting the countries Einstein visited during his travels, e.g., United States, Japan, Palestine. His visits often drew large crowds, reflecting the public fascination with his genius and his ideas. Show photographs of Einstein during his travels and lectures. These journeys not only spread his scientific insights but also allowed him to engage with different cultures and perspectives. Einstein's global recognition transformed him into a symbol of scientific achievement and intellectual curiosity. The rise of Nazism and emigration to America. The rise of Nazism in Germany in the 1930s posed a significant threat to Einstein, who was Jewish and whose theories were denounced by the Nazi regime as Jewish science. Explore historical footage and images related to the rise of Nazism in Germany. In 1933, Einstein left Germany and eventually settled in the United States, becoming a professor at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. Show maps of the United States and the location of Princeton. The intellectual haven of Princeton provided Einstein with a stable environment to continue his research. Show images of the Institute for Advanced Study and Princeton University. Einstein's emigration was a significant loss for Germany and a gain for the American scientific community. His experiences during this period also led him to become a vocal advocate for social justice and peace. Princeton, the quest for a unified field theory. For the remainder of his life, Einstein dedicated himself to the pursuit of a unified field theory, an attempt to reconcile general relativity with quantum mechanics into a single, overarching framework that would describe all the fundamental forces of nature. Explore visual representations of the concepts of general relativity and quantum mechanics. His work on this ambitious project occupied him until his death in 1955. Show images of Einstein working at his desk in Princeton, surrounded by equations and notes. While he did not achieve a fully successful unified field theory during his lifetime, his efforts laid the groundwork for future research in theoretical physics. The serene intellectual environment of Princeton provided the backdrop for Einstein's final decades of profound contemplation and scientific inquiry. His quest remains one of the ultimate challenges in modern physics. Einstein's legacy, beyond the equations. Albert Einstein's legacy extends far beyond his scientific theories. He became a cultural icon, representing genius, curiosity, and the power of human intellect. Show iconic photographs of Einstein. His image and quotes continue to inspire and resonate with people around the world. Einstein was also a passionate advocate for peace, social justice, and human rights, using his platform to speak out on important issues. Show images of Einstein involved in social and political activism. His work had a profound impact on technology, including the development of nuclear energy, though he was a pacifist and regretted his role in its early stages, and modern electronics. Briefly discuss these technological impacts. The places he lived and worked, from Ulm to Princeton, are now sites of historical and scientific significance, attracting visitors eager to connect with his extraordinary life. Show images of these locations as they are today. Albert Einstein's influence on science and society remains immeasurable, solidifying his place as one of the most important figures of the 20th century and beyond. Albert Einstein's journey, from a curious child in Ulm to a revolutionary physicist and global icon in Princeton, is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. His groundbreaking theories reshaped our understanding of the universe, and his advocacy for peace and justice continues to inspire. By tracing his footsteps across continents and delving into the historical context of his life, we gain a deeper appreciation for the man behind the genius. Einstein's legacy endures, not just in equations and scientific principles, but in his unwavering commitment to understanding the world and making it a better place. What aspect of Einstein's life and work resonates most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow seekers of knowledge, and subscribe to World Icons and Travel for more journeys through the lives of extraordinary individuals and the places that shaped them. Until our next exploration of human brilliance, farewell from the world of Albert Einstein.